Leute, herzlich willkommen. So Leute, haben Sie die Ahnung, was machen wir heute? I have asked, do you have any idea what we are going to do today? No idea? So let me tell you what we are going to do today. So, Orte in their start, right? So today we are going to learn about the places in the city, right? So the Orte means places, right? When we talk about a singular one, that is place, we will be writing their Ort, right? Their Ort, right? It is singular, right? The Orte in their start is in the city, right guys? So I'm telling you these places. So first we will be learning the vocabulary, that is we will be going to learn how we can say these places in German, and after that we will be going to learn the questions related to this topic, right guys? What are the questions that can be asked from us and how we can answer these questions. So be careful guys. So let us start with the first one, that is fish market. So how do we say in German? Der Fischmarkt. Der Fischmarkt. Guys, do learn these with their articles, because whenever we learn a noun, do with the article, right? Der Fischmarkt. Then comes das Rathaus, right? So next is port, means जहाँ पे ship वगैरह होती है, the port. So we will be saying it like this, der Hafen, right? So next one is church. Church को क्या बोलेंगे हम? The Kirche, right guys? So one more thing, the article is the. Mostly nouns which are ending with the word, last word is e, they are having the article, ठीक है guys? मोस्टली के साथ ऐसा होता है, बट वी कांट से कि सब ऐसे होंगे, सबके साथ दी आर्टिकल आएगा. देयर आर मेनी एक्सेप्शंस, सो उनके लिए वी नीड टू बी केयरफुल, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट वन इज रेलवे स्टेशन. हाउ डू वी से रेलवे स्टेशन? देयर Bahnhof. So now we are going to do the questions and the answers which are related to this. So the Fragen und die Antworten means Fragen is our questions and Antworten is our answers. Our first question is, was ist das? means ये क्या है? If you are going to somewhere और आपको वहाँ पे कोई मिलता है who is a stranger, तो वो आपसे supposingly you are in ताजमहल, तो आपसे कोई पूछता है ये क्या है, ठीक है? He is not aware about that, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? ये ताजमहल है. Same in German, was is das? ये क्या है? Das is their Bahnhof, means ये रेलवे स्टेशन है. So I have taken the example like Bahnhof, you can add it accordingly. जोन सी जगह है आप वही mention करना. Supposingly it is a Kirche, you will be saying it. Das is the Kirche, right? First article, then our noun. So let us begin with our second question. Second question में क्या है? It is like a yes/no question, right? Yes/no question is our Ja, nein Frage, means our answer will be starting like yes or no. ठीक है? ऐसा कुछ change नहीं होता इसमें. So हम पूछते हैं, is das ein Hotel? ये एक होटल है. So हम उसको बताएंगे and if it is, so you will be writing ja, and if it is not, then you will be saying it nein. Das is das Rathaus. ये city hall है, Rathaus है, right? Nein, das is das Rathaus, right? So next is das ein Markt? क्या ये market है? Is das ein Markt? Is it a market? So you will be saying yeah, das ist der Fischmarkt. ये fish market है. Yeah, das is their Fischmarkt. So I have taken these examples. So इससे आपको पता लग गया होगा how we can question on the topic places and how we can answer to someone when someone asks us these questions. Right guys? Is that clear? So these are some questions we have done. These are related to our topic. What? That is The Orte means places. So guys, I hope that you have understood what we have done in our today's session. So guys, before going, do subscribe my channel and like my video. For any query or question, you can ask in comment box. Till then, bye.